Well, what do you do on a rainy day in Bangkok? It's been raining all morning and we couldn't explore the city, so we've come to one of the shopping centres, and now it's come out nice and fine, although it looks like it might rain again. But Adele needs some sports gear, so we've come to the Siam Center. We're going to have a look through there and show you around. There's some big sports shops in there, but it's right opposite Siam Paragon. So yeah, let's go and have a look. See if we can find something for her. This is going to be fun. First up, we've got the Converse store. Some Converse, bright and red, aren't they?
Very cool.
It's like a decent Nike shop down there. I didn't realise G-Shock was still operating. Have they done a smartwatch, I wonder? Because everyone seems to be into the smartwatches, so... Oh, we've got a croc shop. So we've spotted a New Balance and Foot Locker store. Man, that Foot Locker store's big. Sweaty card. $7,300 Thai baht. Boy, they're heavy. $6,000. Oh, now it's $4,900. 20% off. So we've got JD Sports and Under Armour down this end. No, I'm not proving at the bras. Adele was looking for one. She's around there hiding, trying to find one. There's one pretty cool entrance. that was a quick look at Siam Center. If you're looking for some sports gear, it's not a bad mall actually. It's not overly fancy. It's actually easy to get around, so yeah, just a quick look. We're about to head into Siam Paragon, but that's a video for another day because it's just massive. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Dale's got what she's wanted.
We've got what we needed.
Alright, see ya.